Hey guys, see what I got there? A lot of stuff. Yes, I'm traveling to Menorca today and I will be working from there for 1 week. So I'm going to show you what I pack for 1 week and how I never pay for my luggage when I travel to the islands. I'm going to film this video while I'm packing and I'm going to share with you a couple of things that I really love and I always bring with me when I travel. Okay, so let's start packing. First thing definitely is a backpack like this where you can put a lot of stuff. Well, I have a paper there. I don't know for one second. So yeah, this backpack is super useful. I mean, you have a lot of bags that you can put different things there. And then there's an area for shoes as well so that you don't get the shoes dirty. So that you don't get the shoes like mixed with your other stuff. And yeah, although I already have a shoe bag as well. And this part you have an area where you can put your laptop, which I will put my laptop there. Well, so this is a 14-inch, so they can fit up to 17, 18, I think. Not good with math, but I always put an extra protection since my laptop is a little bit expensive. So first thing, laptop for work. And then I have a lot of beauty stuff as well. And then I got this little refill bottles so that I can bring my own conditioner to keep these hair flowy. So yeah, I'm going to fill this a little bit more. Alright, this should be good for 1 week. I'm going to leave that for now. So yeah, I have a couple more. I will fill it later on. Then I also got this little plastic bag from Shane as well. Shane, I'm Chinese, I don't know how to pronounce it. And yeah, so I put all these little things in there. Definitely my favorite brand, Sezema, for the sunscreen. Super nice. And beauty stuff. Another sunscreen. So yeah, this tiny bag can really fit a lot. If you don't know where Menorca is a tiny island, well, tiny island, kind of tiny, in the Mediterranean. It's a Spanish island. And yeah, we are going there today. And I will stay 1 week in a resort. Hopefully, they have good internet for work. And obviously I'm bringing a big thing. Since going to the beach, you can just put it like to grab your hair. Can't see it. Super useful as well. And then if I want to change one, I can have this one. I don't know. Super convenient. And then you don't get the annoying mark from using this. And then obviously some clothes for the gym as well. Yeah, these. I usually bring this kind of gym top so that I can actually wear it out as well. I mean, it really saves some space in my luggage. Later on, okay, this is like a basic kind of top. I can wear it for the gym, I can wear it out with a jeans or something like that. Same thing, this top is super cute as well. Yeah, so when I travel, usually I pack some gym outfit like this. You can wear it in the gym and later on if you go out at night, it's super cute as well. Super cute as well. So yeah, I'm going to pack 2 only since, well, I don't know. And these pants are super cute. Alright. And oh, there's another super cool thing I want to share with you. This is a bag that it has a lot of tiny bags inside. So it's going to help me organize everything super well. Actually, my mom got me this. They're super useful. Yeah, so here they have For example, this is a bag for shoes. I'm going to bring only one pair of shoes since I'm traveling with one backpack, and that's what I usually do as well. I don't bring a bunch of things. Not that typical girl that needs like high heels for my travel. If you don't have a backpack like this that has an area for the shoes, I think this is super useful so that it doesn't get the rest of your thing a little bit dirty. Anyways, I'm going to put it here. I'm super Virgo. I don't want to mix my shoes with anything. See, it fits perfectly. And then you have a bag for your clothes that's a little bit bigger. Well, later on, I'm going to start packing the tiny things first. I'm just showing you like this bag is like super useful. And this huge bag is for like bigger clothes even than that. It's still a little bit chilly there, so maybe I'll put some sweatshirts in there later on. And this bag that fits everything inside, yeah, you can use it for makeup or things for the like toothbrush or anything you want basically. But I already have this plastic one because I like to use this kind of waterproof bag so that the liquid, they don't just go outside. But yeah, if you want, you can just put it like that. And my tiny hairbrush from the Body Shop. It works. Yeah, and these kind of things I usually just throw it right there. It already saved me like a bunch of space. And oh, very important, bikini time. Obviously, I'm going to make a little bit advertising of my bikini brand. Yes, I make reversible bikinis, and look at that material, it's super nice. And I really like bringing this kind of reversible bikini to travel because, well, obviously you can use it like many ways. I mean, obviously you can use it like multiple ways. You can, yeah, use it like this color matching with this color, and then you can, yeah, just get creative with how you wear it. Yeah, so I'm going to bring these one. These are my favorite. And I really love these ones as well for like the summertime. Yeah, sometimes I tie the bikini like this just to be a little bit different. I know they're the classic triangle bikinis, but there are so many ways you can wear it. Yeah, I should make some videos on that. These colors are super cute. Beach towel, definitely. Okay, I'm going to mix the beach and the gym stuff here in this bag. The smaller one from this pack. That's it. Oh, and then definitely I'm going to bring a smaller bag when I go out at night, something like that. This is super cute. These are the handmade bags from Colombia. I'm importing them as well. Yeah, so here I can put my document, like passport or anything. And later on, I'm just gonna wear it. Or this one, well, this one is kind of like handbag. It's a little bit less convenient, but super cute. It fits a lot of things. Okay, I decided to bring this one at the end. Well, missing my undies. Then I have this kind of bags as well. I really love organizing my stuff using this bag so that it doesn't just get like spread out in my backpack. Well, I just put them in. And then I already have a couple of tops already in the gym clothes. So I'm only bringing these, and for the pants I bring one shorts, and then I will be wearing one, obviously, well not this one, another jean. And yeah, that's how I travel, to be honest. Yeah, and this one, super great. If you don't have a lot of stuff, you can just fold them and then just pop them right in. I don't know. It looks like it's not gonna close, but it will close. I mean, here you also have more space to put your stuff. Well, this part is kind of waterproof, and then you have here as well to put your things. So what is missing are the things like the mouse for work. Then I'm bringing a light as well, since I'm making YouTube videos for like a graphic design course. So yeah, I need a light. And definitely I need a tiny portable mic as well, so that I can record it. Super convenient. Yeah, this one I think I will have to stick it in right here, because otherwise I have no more space. Yeah, and then I have this bag to put my chargers. Yeah, it's a huge charger since I got my MacBook in Hong Kong, and it has this annoying huge plug. But anyways, I got this what is it called, this international plug where you can use for different countries. So this is the one for Europe. Yeah, I got. And another super important thing is definitely a power bank, since my iPhone 14 is already kind of slow and the battery is running out. So yeah, I always bring a power bank with me when I travel, and this one from Xiaomi, it's pretty nice. Yeah, it lasts, like you can charge it for 2 to 3 phones at the same time, and yeah, not so bad. Then I always bring this resistant band as well, so that I can do a little bit exercise in the room. Although, well, they're gym, but well, I like to bring mine. And oh, another really cute thing I want to share is these press-on nails. Yeah, I just did it real quick and I didn't like. So if any day I'm going for a nice dinner, I can just put on these press-on nails with like a glue sticker that comes with it. So yeah, super cute. Yeah, that's it. So this backpack fit in most of the flight, and you don't have to pay extra for that. So yeah, I'm almost ready. If I forget anything, I'll go back to do a final check before I leave. Oh my god, I totally forgot about my documents, so I'm going to do a final check of my backpack. Alright, so thank you for watching. I will be sharing more videos about working in Menorca and places to visit. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. I'm leaving home in, I think, 45 minutes, waiting for my boyfriend right now. So bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.